So I'm thinking for this question, we should first figure out how many intervals there are on this circle. I'm counting them and I'm seeing 4 on the top half and 4 on the bottom half. So a total of 8 intervals in this circle. Now, if we're going to be doing 1,174 intervals and we want to know where we're going to end, then I guess we have to divide 1,174 by 8. But we don't really care about how many times 8 goes into 1,174. We just care about the remainder. The remainder will let us know where in that circle we're going to end up. So to find the remainder, when we divide 1,174, I'll give you 2 ways. So the faster way, this is if you know the rule for divisibility by 8. So the rule, and by the way, I explained the logic behind this rule in my book. The rule is that you can just look at the last 3 digits of the number as if that's the number. So in this case, that would be 174. So 174 divided by 8, I would break that down into 160 divided by 8 plus another 14 divided by 8. Now the 160 is not interesting because 160 is a multiple of 8, so it's not going to contribute a remainder. So we're just looking at the 14 divided by 8. That's going to give us a remainder of 6. So looking at the circle, going through 6 intervals, I see that we're going to end up at E, which is answer choice E. Now if you didn't know the rule for divisibility by 8, no big deal. You can just take the whole number, 1,174, and start splitting it into chunks. Again, this is a strategy that's in my book. So I'll take 800, because I know that's a multiple of 8. That leaves me with 374. That number I'll break into 320, because that's a multiple of 8, which leaves me with 54. And that I'll break into 48 plus 6, again, because 48 is a multiple of 8, and we have that remainder of 6. So let me know in the comments below if you already knew the rule for divisibility by 8, and if so, did you think of using it here? If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.